Hello and welcome to Nails for Sanam Crafts edition. In this video we will be making these earrings and you will be amazed to know that I made these from the nail polishes. So let's take a plastic sheet and I have cut them into various shapes like square and triangle, and this is like a round but like a half a round or quarter round, whatever. Now take the nail polishes of your favorite colors and we are going to paint them. So I'm just going to outline it first. I am making multicolor earrings, so we are just going to use the black nail polish and a fine detailing brush. Now to paint them easily, I just stick them to the orange stick, because now I can just paint them without any mess. So I just took the blue color and I filled it up just like this. It is a challenge for me. I took it as a challenge because I saw a similar earrings online and I'm like, oh, what the heck, what the big deal, I can make this on my own. So I was just trying. This is a fun project to try if you are a DIY freak. So I just colored them like this. Now I mixed blue and green color and I came up with this like a teal color, and I'm just going to fill it up like this. So our one part is done. Now let's make the other one. This is the square where the earring post will go. So what are your favorite DIY projects? Do you try, do you challenge yourself daily in various tasks? Let me know in the comments below, like what are the craft ideas or projects you would love to do. Now I'm doing this on a day where I am fasting from sunrise to the moonrise, so I'm just going to kill my time, because when I'm doing art or craft or nails, I forget everything around me. Okay, so I'm just painting this with the brush, but I thought it would be easier to paint it with the nail polish brush. So all the parts are ready. I just laid them to dry off. वाह भाई वाह, झंडे गाड़ दिए ऐसा लग रहा है। और बॉक्स में कुछ ढूंढ रही थी तो मुझे ये मिल गया। ये वीडियो मैंने कुछ वीडियोस पहले शेयर किया था, अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो आप ज़रूर देखिए, ये बहुत ही अच्छा नेल आर्ट वीडियो है। तो हमारे सारे पार्ट्स तो सूख चुके हैं, दे आर ऑल ड्राइड आउट। सो लेट्स असेंबल देम। तो यहाँ पर मैं बीड्स बना लूँगी, डैंगलिंग बीड्स। So I assembled them on a wire and then I made a loop just like this so that I can hang it on my earrings. So I prepared all the beads similarly. Now we are going to move on to the next part, which is attaching all the parts together. So here I am attaching them with a glue. So I am just attaching all the hooks so that it all points in the center, just like this. It is very easy to make the second earring when your first earring is done, because the first earring, it takes time because you are still thinking and your ideas you are executing. So it takes a little bit of time for the first earring to make, but the second one is easy because you're just following all the steps. So here we have attached the two parts. Now let's attach this little square. So I attach some pins just like this, and then we will attach it to the main part just like this. Isn't that easy? I didn't know it will turn out this great. So all the beads are attached just like this. So far it's looking very cute, and I'm just going to embellish more. I have this earring post and some rhinestone and ball chain. We are all going to add to it. Because the original earrings which I showed you on the picture, there are some beads on this part of the earring, so I just attached the ball chain. How pretty! Now attach the rhinestone here. वाह, ये ऑलरेडी कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है। और ये बहुत ही, अगर मुझे ये आइडिया नवरात्रि पे आया होता ना तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगता। लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, ये इयररिंग्स हम कभी भी पहन सकते हैं, है ना। So I'm going to attach the earring post with the cloth on the back side, so इसके सारा hard pincher है जो छुप जाए। And this is my final look. How do you guys like it? And I can't believe this is made out of nail polish and some plastic. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like it and subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. And I'll see you guys next time with another simple nail art or DIY project. Till then, have fun and thank you for watching.